Ever since I can remember, I've suffered with insomnia. I've tried everything. Nothing seemed to work. But then I found Rest More, and let me tell you, like seriously, it's the greatest. I slept for a full 8 hours. I woke up not feeling groggy. I woke up feeling refreshed. I actually had a great day, a great morning. It was amazing. So I stuck with it. It's an awesome product. It's non-habit forming. It's just great. I don't even know, like words can't even like describe how happy I am that I found this product. So Rest More is the way to go, guys. There's nothing out there before that would work for me, but Rest More.
Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.